So we're going to start today's recipe off by adding a little bit of garlic powder, add a little bit of black pepper, some seafood blend, and some curry powder. Now you just want to mix all these beautiful seasoning ingredients together. After it's fully mixed, then we're just going to set this aside and start working on the other ingredients. Alright guys, so you want to add your cooking oil, just a little bit, about 2 tablespoons. So now we're just going to add our lobster meat. So we're just going to saute our lobster meat, until it's fully cooked. Then we're going to add some onion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and some bell pepper. It's already smelling good. Add your onion and fresh garlic. This is about 2 cloves of fresh garlic, bell peppers, and some scotch bonnet pepper for that extra spice. Oh yeah. This one is for the seafood lovers, the lobster meat lovers, them. Lobster tail lover. Yeah, this is it. This is the recipe right here. So we're just going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then we'll remove it from the pan, and then we're going to add our tortilla with some cheese, some Parmesan cheese, and then just melt everything together and blend it together. Some non-stick butter. Just go ahead and add your tortilla. Then I'm just going to add a little sprinkle. Add my cheese. This is Parmesan cheese and cheddar. Now you want to add your lobster meat. Add a little bit more. Alright, so you want to go ahead and fold your quesadilla nice and crispy. Oh yeah. It's going to be so good. Alright guys, so once the cheese is fully melted, that is it. We're just going to give it a few slices and we should be good to go. Yes guys, this is it. Our lobster quesadilla.
If you're looking for a new recipe with a twist, this is it. Mango stew fish. Yeah, man. So we're going to start today's recipe off by combining our seasoning. I have some fish seasoning, some cayenne pepper, a little bit of thyme leaves, and my Szechuan seasoning. Now you just want to mix all 4 ingredients together until they are fully combined, and then we're going to start to season our fish. So you want to make sure the oil is nice and hot. And we're going to fry our fish for about 2 minutes. On the first side, flip it over and fry it for another 2 minutes. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Then we're gonna add some bell peppers, some garlic, diced tomato, green onion, pimento berries, a little bit of cloves, grated ginger, butter, the mango juice, and a little bit of soy sauce. We're gonna stir fry all these ingredients together until they become caramelized, and then we'll add the mango juice and the actual soy sauce, the liquid ingredients, right afterwards. At this point, you want to cover your fish with the mango sauce. Just pour the sauce all over it and steam it for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, your mango sauce should become nice and thick. So we're going to enjoy today's recipe with some white rice. You just want to add your fish right on top. And then we're going to pour a little bit of sauce, a little bit of that mango sauce. It's nice and rich, packed with a lot of flavors and spices, If you're looking for a new recipe with a nice little twist, this is it. Mango stew fish. Yeah, man. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.
So the lobster tail, guys, is nice and soft. Super tender. Packed with a bunch of flavor. You're going to need 2 lobster tail, a little bit of hot sauce, some thyme, green onion, garlic, parsley, 1 stick of butter, and 1 lime. So we're just going to start off, guys, by combining all these ingredients, all right? First, you want to add your butter. Then we're going to add some fresh squeezed lime juice. All right, it's looking good. After you add your lime juice, then we're just going to combine all these, herbs together. So we're going to add our parsley. So the parsley is 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of green onion, and a tablespoon of thyme. Now we're going to add our hot sauce. All right, so now we're just going to add about 2 to 3 drops of hot sauce. This is Jamaica Choice Carolina Reaper hot sauce. So this is super spicy, so you don't want to add too much. Then you want to just crush your butter. And once the butter is fully crushed, then you want to just go ahead and start mixing all these beautiful ingredients together until, everything is fully combined, fully mixed. All right, guys, so now we're gonna split our lobster tail, split them in half, and then we're gonna add some Creole seasoning. Just go ahead and split them in half, just like that. All right, guys, so now we're just gonna rinse this off real quick with some lemon juice and water, and then apply our seasoning. All right. All right, so you just want to apply your Creole seasoning on the meat side. Just like that. And now we're going to add our spicy herb butter. Yes, guys, so after we apply our herb butter, then we're going to go ahead and start frying our lobster tail for about 4 minutes. And then we should be good. All right, guys, so you want to turn your stove to about a medium heat. And then we're going to add our lobster tail face down. We're going to add the butter side down first. Oh, it's smelling so good right now, guys. So good. Oh my God. It's smelling so freaking good. You know, the herb from the butter, you know, the melted butter and everything combined together. Oh my God. It's a wonderful smell, guys. And like I said, we're going to fry our lobster tail face down, butter side down first for about 2 minutes. Flip it over for another 2 more minutes, and we should be good after that. Yes, guys, so our lobster tails is good to go, ready. Just gonna add the tails to a plate, and then I'm gonna add our spicy herb butter sauce on top, and then we should be good. Wow. Yes, guys, so we're at the end of the video and we're about to do our taste test. Wow. So the lobster tail, guys, is nice and soft. Super tender. Packed with a bunch of flavor. Ooh, here we go. A nice close-up. Ooh. Wow. So good, guys. You can taste the spiciness, you know, the natural fresh herbs, you know, and Creole seasoning blend together. Perfect combination, guys. Perfect. Wow. This is so good. And once again, guys, thank you for watching, my video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.